Hey football fans, whether you bleed blue or back the Cottagers, welcome to the breakdown of one of London's underrated rivalries, Fulham vs Chelsea. This isn't just a neighbourhood spat, it's a battle for bragging rights, momentum and something bigger, respect. Let's dive deep into the tactics, key players and what this match truly means for both sides. Historically, Chelsea has dominated this fixture. The Blues boast decades of top-flight success, while Fulham has often hovered around the Premier League's fringes. But recently, the narrative has started to shift. Under Marco Silva, Fulham has grown in confidence, structure and ambition, no longer pushovers, especially at Craven Cottage. For Chelsea, it's about regaining consistency under their new regime. Despite a squad worth hundreds of millions, they've struggled to find rhythm. This makes the derby more unpredictable than ever. Fulham usually sets up in a 4-2-3-1 or 4-3-3, relying on midfield discipline and wing play. Palhinha has been a midfield wall, and Willian, yes, the former Chelsea man, still shows flashes of brilliance. Don't forget Andreas Pereira, who can deliver a killer pass or a long-range screamer. Chelsea, meanwhile, continues to evolve. With Enzo Fernandez and Moises Caicedo anchoring the midfield, and Cole Palmer buzzing between lines, they've shown moments of fluid football. The key question: can Chelsea turn possession into goals, or will Fulham's defensive resilience frustrate them again? Set pieces could be crucial. Fulham is deadly from corners, while Chelsea has been vulnerable to aerial threats all season. Fulham, Joao Palhinha, midfield enforcer, who might just be Fulham's most important player. Up front, Rodrigo Muniz has shown he's got an eye for goal. Chelsea, Cole Palmer, a rising star who's turning into Chelsea's creative heartbeat. Of course, Nicholas Jackson, if he finds form, Chelsea's attack becomes a whole different beast. So keep an eye on the benches. Late-game substitutions could tip the balance. Fulham is more than just 3 points. The chance to prove they belong among London's elite in front of a passionate home crowd. Throw everything at it. Chelsea, it's about getting back on track. 3 point counts as they chase European qualification. Dropping points here would fuel more criticism from fans and pundits alike. So what's the verdict? It's tight, it's tense, it could go either way. Fulham can score first, will dig in and make life miserable for Chelsea. If the Blues play with urgency and finish their chances, they might edge it. Prediction: 2-1 Chelsea. But don't be surprised if Fulham pulls off a shocker. What do you think? Drop your predictions in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Premier League breakdowns. Until next time, keep the passion alive.